How to recover Facebook page ownership. So if you want to recover Facebook page ownership, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Now once you open up your Facebook, you just need to simply go with the Facebook page. So for example, I'll just choose a random page. Now once you've chosen the page, what you need to do is just go with the right side, which has that three dots icon, and you need to simply tap on report page. So tap on report and you'll get a lot of options. Tap on something about this page, and here you will have the scam, fraud, or false information, or fake profile, or any option that you're comfortable with. You can simply go and report the page. Now once you've reported the page, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you use. Now you need to simply search for Facebook Help Center, and now again tap on the Help Center, and now you just need to simply go with an option of pages. Tap on it, and here you might get some information on how you can reclaim your page, or you can just simply go with these options, which is right here: interact with pages, or customize, or just banning and moderation. You will have right here, you can tap on it, or just go with fix a problem. Or if you don't find your solution right here, then what you need to do is just simply go with search, which will be on the upper side. You just need to simply tap on the search and then search for the particular issue that you're facing, and you might get some help. Or you can just simply go back and go with your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Scroll all the way down, tap on help and support, and tap on report a problem. And after that, continue to report a problem and report your issue or your problem to Facebook. So that's how you can recover your Facebook page ownership. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.